Have you ever wondered what it would be like to build your financial empire, brick by brick, without ever setting foot in the property market? We're diving headfirst into the thrilling world of real estate crowdfunding. Yes, you heard it right. We're about to unveil the secrets, the strategies, and the sheer magic that can turn your dreams of real estate investment into a reality, all from the comfort of your own home. But first, what is real estate crowdfunding? Ever dreamed of stepping into the world of real estate investment, but found yourself held back by the daunting costs and complexities? Picture a realm where such barriers dissolve, where investment becomes not just accessible, but exhilaratingly adaptable. Welcome to the realm of real estate crowdfunding. Real estate crowdfunding isn't just a buzzword. It's a gateway to a universe of possibilities. Imagine a scenario where you, as an investor, can dip your toes into various real estate ventures without the burdens of hefty capital requirements or the headaches of day-to-day management. Real estate crowdfunding lets you team up with fellow investors to collectively invest in promising real estate projects. It's a game changer, offering both seasoned investors and newcomers alike a chance to navigate the realm of property investment with ease and flexibility. By participating in real estate crowdfunding, you're not just investing in bricks and mortar. You're investing in potential, in growth, in your financial future. Picture yourself owning fractions of diverse real estate assets, from cozy residential spaces to bustling commercial hubs. With real estate crowdfunding, passive income flows your way without the usual hassles of property management. It's like having your cake and eating it too, and who wouldn't want that? Ready to take the reins of your financial destiny? Dive into our comprehensive guide on real estate crowdfunding, where we unravel the intricacies, unveil the opportunities, and empower you to make savvy investment choices tailored to your aspirations. How real estate crowdfunding works? Ever pondered how fortunes are woven in the realms of real estate crowdfunding? It's a captivating tale where three key players dance to the rhythm of opportunity, transforming visions into tangible prosperity. Firstly, the project owner, the visionary architect behind each campaign. With a blend of expertise and passion, they craft blueprints of success. Picture them as the orchestrators, tirelessly navigating through the complexities of real estate. From scouting prime locations to orchestrating renovations, their dedication fuels the engine of possibility. Yet, their role transcends mere execution. They're champions of alignment, investing not just capital but sweat and time, ensuring mutual prosperity with their partners, the investors. Then comes the investors, the bold dreamers who breathe life into these ventures. With each pledge, they secure a stake in the journey towards prosperity. They're not just investors. They're partners in a shared vision, reaping rewards as properties flourish. Whether it's the steady flow of rental income or the jubilation of a lucrative sale, they stand to gain from the fruits of their collective endeavor. And then, there's the platform, the nexus of innovation and trust. It's the digital stage where dreams meet reality, where aspirations find fertile ground. Imagine it as the guardian of integrity, meticulously curating opportunities and safeguarding the interests of all involved. From verifying identities to ensuring regulatory compliance, it's the beacon of transparency in an ocean of possibility. With each transaction, it builds bridges of trust, fostering a community bound by a shared pursuit of prosperity. As the curtains rise on the stage of real estate crowdfunding, remember this: it's not just about investments. It's about starting a journey of collective empowerment. It's about unlocking the doors to wealth and opportunity, one pledge at a time. How to start a real estate crowdfunding platform? It's time to turn your dreams into reality by launching your very own real estate crowdfunding platform. This isn't your average endeavor. We're talking about creating a platform that doesn't just blend in with the crowd. It stands out like a beacon of innovation in a sea of mediocrity. So, how do you start this exhilarating journey? It all begins with a deep dive into the realm of research. But we're not talking about simply replicating what's already out there. No, we're talking about crafting something truly extraordinary, something that leaves the competition in awe. While some may choose to build their platform from scratch, others opt for the sleek simplicity of a white label solution. You develop a cutting-edge platform and offer it up to businesses looking to make their mark in the real estate crowdfunding sphere. It's like being the mastermind behind the curtain, empowering others to shine in their own spotlight. Whether you're building from the ground up or offering your expertise through a white label solution, the journey remains the same. It's a thrilling ride filled with twists and turns, challenges and triumphs. But one thing's for sure, it's a journey worth taking. Here's your step-by-step guide to launching your very own real estate crowdfunding platform and paving the way to financial prosperity. Number 1. Analyze the market. Instead of just glancing at the surface, delve deep into the market dynamics. Don't just shadow the top players. Unravel their strategies to understand their strengths and weaknesses. By deciphering what resonates with users and what they steer clear of, you'll pave the path for exceptional user experiences. Dive into user reviews, where invaluable insights into platform fees and charges often lie. Number 2. Study the regulation. Navigate the regulatory maze with finesse. Every region boasts its own set of rules governing real estate and investment markets. To steer clear of regulatory hassles and ensure smooth sailing, equip yourself with a thorough understanding of the regulatory landscape in the regions you plan to operate. Number 3. Think about the key idea of your project. Crafting your project's core concept is akin to sculpting a masterpiece. Define your target audience, delineate your platform's unique selling proposition, and carve out your niche in the market. With a clear vision, you'll not only attract investors, but also carve your space in the bustling realm of real estate crowdfunding. Number 4. Find a development team. Unlocking the door to success in real estate crowdfunding begins with finding the right development squad. If you're fortunate to have in-house wizards, consider the first step conquered. If not, fear not. Seek out the brightest minds externally. Whether you choose to collaborate with freelancers or enlist the expertise of a seasoned software development team like Anadia, ensure they possess a proven track record in your chosen field. After all, understanding user needs and domain intricacies is key to building your empire. Number 5. Build an MVP. Once your team is assembled, it's time to sculpt the blueprint of your vision. Dive deep into discussions about project requirements, concepts, and ultimate objectives. Here's where the magic begins. Create your minimum viable product, MVP. This streamlined version encapsulates the bare essentials, allowing you to dip your toes into the waters of user feedback without plunging into financial depths. It's the smart way to test the waters and refine your approach. Number 6. Develop and test a full-scale product. With insights gleaned from your MVP voyage, it's time to set sail for the grandeur of a full-scale product. Harness the collective brilliance of your team to construct the pinnacle of real estate crowdfunding platforms. Before unleashing your creation upon the world, ensure it's fortified by rigorous testing. After all, a masterpiece is only as good as its execution. Number 7. Launch your platform. It's time to let your creation shine. Once all the gears are in place, it's time for the grand reveal. But don't stop there. You need to spread the word far and wide, like casting a net into the sea, ensuring that your platform catches the attention of as many potential users as possible. Number 8. Maintain and timely update your solution. Congratulations, your platform is up and running smoothly. But the journey doesn't stop here. Given the financial nature of your platform, vigilance is key. Stay alert, keeping a watchful eye for any potential risks or vulnerabilities that could jeopardize your users' investments. And remember, just like a garden needs tending, your platform needs regular updates to keep pace with evolving market trends and the ever-changing needs of your users. It's a dynamic journey of growth and adaptation, ensuring your platform remains a beacon of trust and innovation in the world of real estate crowdfunding. If you found this journey enlightening, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more captivating insights and strategies on building wealth.